welcome to Class 3 EVS. Today's lesson is our village. A village is a small and quiet place. There are trees, fields and animals. People live together, grow crops and help each other. Let's learn more about village life. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, we will learn about Panchayat office, post office, primary health center, veterinary hospital, bank, school, water tank, places of worship in Rangapuram. First, have a look on mind map. Before going to the topic, let's learn some new keywords. Gram Panchayat, Primary Health Center, Veterinary Hospital, Post Office, Bank, Polio drops. Rangapuram is a small village with hills and a river. The river gives water to the village. Houses are close to each other. Many artisans like potters and carpenters live here. They have many facilities to live in this small village. Let us learn more about Rangapuram. Gram Panchayat office, Rangapuram. The members of the Gram Panchayat do many works like supplying water, cleaning streets, fixing street lights, this Panchayat office keeps the village clean and safe. Post and Telegraph office. At the post office, people post letters, save money, take life insurance. Primary Health Center. The village has a health center with a doctor and health workers. They give medicines and teach about hygiene. They also do pulse polio programs and give medicines to treat minor illnesses, etc. Veterinary hospital. Just like people go to a hospital when they are sick, animals also need treatment when they fall ill. Sick animals are treated at the veterinary hospital. A doctor takes care of cows, goats, buffalo and dogs. They also guide farmers on animal care. Bank, Gramina Bank, Rangapuram. People save their money in the village bank. They take loans for farming or building houses. They return the money in small parts called installments. School. There is an upper primary school in Rangapuram. The students who complete their studies are here, go to other village schools to continue their higher studies. Water tank. Water comes from the river and is stored in a tank, then cleaned with chlorine. Finally, water was sent to the taps in the village. The tank is cleaned every week. People do not waste water. If there is any leak, they inform the Sarpanch. The Sarpanch calls plumbers to fix it. In this way, water is saved in Rangapuram. Places of worship. In the village, there is a temple, a mosque, and a church. Church, Christians' prayer place. Mosque, Muslims' prayer place. Temple, a Hindu prayer place. All the villagers live in unity. Transport in Rangapuram village. A bus comes in the morning and evening. People use autos to go to nearby villages. Farmers use bullock carts. The students go by bus to other villages for higher studies. Do you know what work people do in Rangapuram? Most people do farming. Some work as laborers. Some are blacksmiths, potters, and do other jobs. A few people have small shops and do business. Upper primary children study in the village school. High school children go to other villages for higher studies. Most of the women and men are educated in Rangapuram. To live a good and comfortable life, every village should have such facilities. Let's revise. Rangapuram is a small village. It has useful places like school, a bank, a hospital, and a post office. People work and live together happily with all these facilities. Well done, children. I hope you understood about Rangapuram village. Keep learning and love your village. Bye, children.